Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're tackling a crucial decision for students interested in business and finance. BBA versus B.Voc in accounting and finance. We have already done a video about BBA and B.Voc. Now let's break down the differences to help you choose the right path. First off, let's talk about the program focus. BBA is a comprehensive academic degree focusing on various aspects of business management. It covers subjects like marketing, finance, human resources, and operations management, aiming to provide a broad understanding of business principles. B.Voc in accounting and finance. This vocational program emphasizes practical skills and hands-on training, specifically in accounting and finance. Its primary goal is to equip students with industry-relevant skills that prepare them for immediate employment in the field. Next, let's look at the curriculum structure. The BBA program follows a traditional academic structure with a mix of theoretical knowledge and practical projects. Students learn about various business functions, preparing them for leadership roles. B.Voc programs integrate more practical components such as internships and apprenticeships. Many B.Voc courses are structured to include practical learning, ensuring students gain valuable practical experience. Let's talk about industry readiness and employability. BBA graduates typically need to pursue further education or certifications to specialize in areas like marketing or finance. While BBA provides a solid foundation, it often requires additional qualifications for advanced roles. The vocational focus ensures that B.Voc graduates are job-ready right after graduation. With hands-on experience, they can quickly step into roles in accounting, finance, and related fields. Now let's discuss duration and flexibility. The BBA program usually takes 3 years to complete, following a structured academic path. While it offers a comprehensive education, it might have less flexibility for practical experience during the course. B.Voc is also a 3-year program, and B.Voc offers a modular structure. This allows students to exit with a diploma after the first year or an advanced diploma after the second year, accommodating those who want to gain immediate employment. Next is about further studies. BBA graduates can easily pursue higher education options like MBA, MCom, or various professional certifications related to their field of interest. While further studies are possible, the primary focus of B.Voc is on employment. Finally, let's talk about recognition and scope. This degree is well recognized in various industries and is accepted for multiple roles in business management, making it a versatile choice for students. As a newer program, B.Voc is increasingly recognized for its focus on employability. While it may have a narrower academic scope, it's highly valued by companies seeking skilled professionals in specific fields. In summary, a BBA is ideal for those looking for a broad understanding of business principle and who want to pursue higher education in the future like an MBA. B.Voc in accounting and finance is perfect for students wishing to specialize early and enter the workforce quickly with practical skills. But nowadays, it's more than just a degree. The modern-day degree requires you to pursue professional courses along with your degree. Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya offers professional courses with your degree like ACCA, CMA, or CA. Don't just go for a degree, go for an integrated degree. If you're considering both options, consider your career goals and interests. So what do you think? Which program aligns with your career goals? Let us know in the comments. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.